Hello, my name is Amelie Carrano and this is my walkthrough video for WDD 331. I based my shape on this shape of the Space Invader. So I decided to make this Pac-Man ghost. For making this Pac-Man ghost you need div with an ID, and I used the box shadow to make the small squares. So in this case we need to make width 1 EM and a height 1 EM, and use the overflow hidden, set a really large margin so it can work, and this is the background for the main shape, which is the 1 by 1 EM square. So I'm gonna show you in other color so you can see the what is it. So this is this shape here, the div, right? So when we use box shadow we can create lots of images, lots of shapes, like make copies of the shapes and change the size and the color and the position. So in this case I have here lots of small squares from different colors and these two big blue squares in blue. Here we have four so here in box shadow we have 4 values and the color. So for each square we will we have a line and it's separated by a comma, and the first value is moves the shape to the right or left. It's a horizontal movement, and the second value is the vertical movement. The third value is the blur of the shadow. So I didn't change this because I want the script to be very straight. I don't know how to say it. And the fourth is the size of the square. So when we improve this size, this number, we get a bigger square. And here I had to make lots of squares to make this shape. So I'm gonna change the color so you can see each square. In this case I also made a big square on the center so I can save some code. And let me show you how it works here on the values. So let me put it back on green so you can see. This will make the shape move to the left or to the right, and the other one will make it move it up or down. Here. So let's put it green again. So if I put it down, it will be over the other one. So zero. Let's try the 0. So you can see. Okay. And so if you want to make lots of little squares, you make a line for each one, and then you will just change the position. And here are the blue squares here, just to make you see the size of the square. If I improve here, You make it bigger. Okay, so I found this really useful for making shapes, and it doesn't require too much code, just a box shadow. Of course, for depending on the difficulty of the shape, you have more or less code, but it's really nice to work with and really fun. I hope you enjoy it.